remember to be calling you. You could one on my phone. I'm the only one in the house. Oh, please call me on the phone. Oh, and you know Ijoma couldn't come for the burial. I'm the only one in this house. So, oh, please.
Mama, it's okay. You see, we promise that you will definitely hear from us. Yes, we promised it. It's okay, Mama.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Mama, don't worry, okay? We'll keep calling from time to time, okay?
Okay, cool.
And as for Ijoma's case, at least it's well understood, okay? At least she called to say that the company she works with in America didn't permit her. So exactly. It's okay.
Mama, like I said before, everything will be fine, okay?
It will be fine, please.
Yeah. Mazuka, we want to thank you for our father's burial.
Oh,
yes. Everything went successfully. Thank you very much.
My sons, you don't need to thank me. You don't need to really thank me because, after all, it's my late brother's burial. I did what I should do for him by giving him a befitting burial.
Thank you very much.
So you people should take care of.
It's okay, it's okay.
All right.
Drive very carefully. The road is very busy. God will bless you. All right, God will bless you.
Drive safely, because small, you will be in a jet.
What? Ikembia, what is wrong with you? Huh? Ikembia, have you gone nuts or something?
Excuse me?
Yes! I just heard that you sold the plot of land located at Aguyi without letting me know. Ikembia, what is wrong with you?
Obim, you're stupid to be shouting over a plot of land.
What?
Yes. How dare you? Listen, and for your information, that plot of land belongs to me and not both of us.
You are stupid! You are mad for saying that! That plot of land belongs to you and I! Papa Daddy, he said that the land belongs to you and I! How will you sell the land? How will you sell the land without my consent?
You don't have any right over that land.
Again, you are mad! You are mad! You are mad! Again, you are stupid! You are stupid! How dare you sell the land without my consent? Are you mad or something?
I will resolve it. I will
Are you mad or something?
I will resolve it.
Oh no! Obim, you touched my Gucci shirt.
What will you do? What is
No, Gucci shirt.
You can't do anything!
I'm taking enough of it. You touched my Gucci shirt. You touched my Gucci shirt. You touched my Gucci shirt.
Hi, baby.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
I'm fine. How was the day?
Oh, great. As you can see, it's just great.
Yes, I can see you're putting your laptop.
Yeah, you see, I'm just trying to have some document done on my laptop.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah. So, baby, I'm so sorry for coming back late. There was traffic on my way home. That's what happened.
Sweetheart, it's okay. As you can see, I'm not complaining, okay?
Because I know you've not eaten.
I know. Once again, you're welcome.
So, what do you want me to prepare for you? Rice, chicken peri-peri, salad.
Sweetheart, you know I'm not a skeleton type. Anything can go, okay? Yeah, anything can go for me.
My baby.
Well, once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So let me go and prepare something for you. I'll be back in a jiffy.
It's okay, darling.
All right, baby.
All right, then. Well, you're looking good once again.
Oh, Christabel, you look good.
Thank you. The salad again.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you.
So tell me, what can I offer you?
Offer me?
Yes.
You don't need to offer me anything. Remember, here is my home. If I need anything, I can as well go right to the kitchen and get it.
Yes, I remember. This is your second home. I'm sorry about that.
You guys do that.
Yes. So tell me, give me gist. How about my husband's twin brother, Ikem?
He's fine. But it's work as usual.
Oh,
Busy head.
yes. You know, men and activities. It keeps them busy all the time.
Yeah.
Christabel, guess what?
He bought you a car.
No.
What is it here?
No, just guess.
He built a house
Come
for your
on, be
parents.
serious, just guess.
He built a house for your parents.
See, my husband, Obin, will soon pay my bride price.
Are you serious? Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wife to be.
Yeah.
But I just pray he can do the same thing as soon as possible.
Oh, come on, he will. Okay? Very, very soon. Just trust me. Very soon he will. Trust me. Yes.
Okay. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. I've not offered anything. So let's go to the kitchen and prepare something to eat.
What are you going to prepare?
What you want?
Plantain porridge. Keep your jollof rice to myself.
Let's go. Christabel.
My sister, have you heard the latest news in town?
Latest news? So what have you heard this time?
It's about Adugo and her two sons, Ikem and Obini. I heard that they have been fighting each other. They have been fighting. They have animosity between themselves.
Don't tell me
I hope they don't kill that woman before her time.
How? Oh, poor woman. I feel for that woman. I don't know why it's always the good people that are always giving birth to the bad children.
Darling,
Look at it. In fact, I feel for this woman. I don't know why it's the good ones that are always giving birth to the bad children these days. I feel for Adugo. I really feel for her. Because she does not deserve what she's passing through now.
Do you also know that her daughter that traveled the other day went to America to do prostitution to make money?
Prostitution!
I don't even know what is wrong with children of nowadays.
In fact,
Let's go.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Sure?
Hi, princess. Good to see you, Obin.
Excuse me. Do I know you?
Obin, do you know me? I am Christabel, your brother's fiancée. Good to see you once again.
I said, excuse me. Even if you are an angel being sent from heaven, who have you helped? If you don't mind, please excuse me. Before you step in, my fiancé and I were having fun. So if you don't mind, please excuse me. Thank you. I'm sorry, okay? Come on, drink up. Drink up. Cheers. Cheers. Come on, cheers. Much love.
My love, I don't understand what is happening anymore. I can't believe Obim, your brother, could say what he said to me in an exclusive bar 2 days ago.
What did he say to you this time?
He said he doesn't know me. Can you imagine?
You mean he actually said that to you?
My love, you needed to see the humiliation, the shame I went through, even in the presence of Princess.
Well, that shouldn't bother you, okay? I know my brother too well, and I think I know how to handle him. If that idiot says he doesn't know you, let it be. If he thinks because he has started touching little money, he thinks he can stand on my way, I swear I will so crush him. I will so crush him in a way he will regret being my brother.
Yes, my love. Teach him a lesson he will never forget in a hurry.
Christabel, you're sounding as if you don't know me. I mean, that shouldn't bother you, okay? Change this channel and watch something else. This case shouldn't be a problem.
Waiter! Are you not the one I'm talking to? Please get me my drink. Oh. Christabel, how are you doing? Are you not the one I'm talking to?
Please hold it there. Hold it. How else do you want me to respond to you? Were you not here when your so-called stupid and useless fiancé of yours insulted me? What did you do? Nothing. Instead, you sat down there, watched him, gave me the insult of my life.
Christabel, do you realize you're referring to my fiancé? Oh, please just stop.
Who cares? Who cares? Just get lost. Watch your tongue. Christabel,
I will not have you insult my fiancé.
And what would you do? Pull down the roof? No, tell me. Please tell me you pull down this roof? No. Get lost, I repeat. Get lost. What the hell am I? Where's the rubbish? Where's the...
Baby, honey, there's something I want us to talk about.
Darling, what is it? Huh? Why can't you wait till tomorrow morning? You know I'm very tired.
Baby, please. Let's talk about it now. Please. I can't sleep. I just want us to talk about it. Let's discuss it. Please, I need to know. Huh?
Princess, what do you want to talk about? Tell me, because right now I'm feeling sleepy.
It's about your brother Ikem.
Oh, not again. Please, darling, not again.
Honey, please, talk to me. Look, both of you are brothers. I mean, flesh and blood. What is it that he has done that can never be forgiven? Huh?
Darling. Oh my God. Darling, you will not understand.
Make me to understand. Please, make me do. Please.
Darling, Ikem is my dream brother.
Yeah.
We used to be very close. Not until he betrayed me on several occasions. To the point that he went and sold the land, the piece of land at Agui, without my consent. How do you want me to feel? How do you want me to feel? I'm asking you.
Honey, is this the reason why both of you hate each other with passion? Is it just that?
Darling, like I said before, you will never understand. You know you're traveling tomorrow morning, so you have to go to bed right now. Okay? Come on, I love you, okay? Good night. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, okay? It's okay.
No.
See you, Mama.
Good to see you too. Jesus, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
More than the last time I saw you.
You know, my husband is really treating me like a queen.
You don't need to say it. It's showing all over you. No. How? Welcome. So, how is my son?
Mama, I wrote there. My husband is doing excellently well.
Thank God.
He is.
Thank God.
Mama, look at you. You look so beautiful. And you're looking every day young.
Leave that in, please.
Stop saying that. You're very funny.
Yes, I know.
Huh? I'm happy you're in good health.
Yes, I am. You people are taking care of me, so I need to look young. What else? Please, let's go inside. Huh?
Don't worry, I will send somebody to bring you
Yes, how are you? And how is everyone in the village? This one you called me at this time of the day. Hope there's no problem. What? Are you serious? You mean Ikem did that? Okay, very good, very good. Oh, he's coming to the village. Oh, come, that's no problem. That's no problem. Yes, first thing tomorrow morning, I will be in the village. Yes, I'll be in the village. I just want to thank you for the information. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yes, I'll be there tomorrow morning. Thank you. What? You came?
Mazuka, I greet you.
Thank you, my son.
Representatives of women and youths, I greet you too. I called for this short meeting to let you know my intentions towards the upcoming election. And as the youth leader and your assistant, I decided to call you first before meeting other youths. At least we all know I have been trying my best. I have been doing a lot of works to see that this community sees development. And I promise you I will not relent until this community sees that development. Ikem has made money to help my people. And that is why I need your support for this upcoming election. And that is why I called you.
Good talk, my son. You've spoken well. You see, I am very proud of you, honestly. Each time I see you, I'll just remember my late brother. Oh, may his soul rest in peace.
You see...
Look, there's no doubt that you've really helped this community.
Thank you.
But like the saying that says, don't be weary in well-doing. There are still other things this community needs, and I believe you can achieve it for us. You know, such as building schools, hospitals, construction of good road network, also health scheme, program, more especially security. I know you can bring security because we really need security in this very village.
Mazuka, that I know I must do for my people. I mean, we all can testify that I have been doing a lot of things. I single-handedly brought electricity into this community and to the other neighboring villages.
Ikem, we all know that we've tried by bringing electricity to our people. Even you dug borehole, but of all you did, they're not working. I never thought of asking why we have been in blackout for the 5 years. 5 years.
You see, my son, that is exactly what we're still talking about, okay? You see, one thing is to put it in place. Another thing is to maintain it. You see, we really need to maintain all those things, okay? Let it not be like the old saying about Nigerians that Nigerians, they don't have maintenance culture. I know you can handle this. You, with your capacity, with your level, your influence in this society, you can create, a maintenance unit that will take care of all these things, handle them, and they will function well. So I want you, please, think about this, okay?
There is nothing Ikem will think about. I mean, he has been coming to this village for the past 5 years. So he should be aware of all these things that we've been in blackout for like several years now, you see that? So if he needs the full support of the village youth, I personally, as the youth leader, will mobilize the whole youth and will campaign for him. But first thing first, he should ensure that he brings back this electricity. First. Yes, he should do the right thing.
And Olisa, what is the right thing that I must do?
What he just said now, you start from there. First, and other things we told you.
Well, there's no problem. I've heard all you've said, okay? I'll go home and do my homework. And Mazuka, can I see you in my car?
Is it okay?
Like I said, Mazuka, all we need to do is just follow up on that.
It's your brother.
Mazuka, what is he doing here? Why did you invite him?
No. Why should you ask me this kind of question? I am his uncle. Likewise, as I am your uncle, he has every right to visit his uncle, just like you.
Mazuka, it is only a fool that has never dreamt of making money will drive like this fool here. I don't blame him. I blame Olisa for making him see little change that is getting over his head.
No, my son. You are taking it too far. It hasn't got into this. Look, let me tell you. You don't curse somebody the God has blessed. It's wrong. Don't do it. It's wrong.
Mazuka, my brother is so jealous that I have made so much.
You're the one that's mad. Yes, you are the one that's mad. I'm not even sure if it was my mother that gave birth to you or you're even my twin brother.
Calm down.
Allow me. Allow me to talk to these idiots. Again, I can drive this car and I will drive this car to this compound anytime I damn fit. Again, what the fuck, man? Are you having gone nuts or something? Have you gone mad?
Hasn't got into that. Calm down.
Of course, I will talk to him. He's a fool.
Show me a little respect. I'm your uncle.
And let me warn you for the last time. Next time you talk to me like
will regret being my brother.
You can't do me anything! You can't do me anything! You think you and your cutting member can stop me from progressing? Yeah? You are nothing but an Okonkwo. Yes! You are an evil child! Evil my son! Oko, allow me to talk to this idiot! Allow me to talk to him! He can't do anything! He's a ritualist! Oko, he is a ritualist! Yes!
Oh my God. How dare you open your dirty mouth to call me a ritualist?
Yes, you are. And what can you do? What can you do? What can you do? I dare you. Kem, I dare you.
Looking now.
Hey! You push me down. You left me.
I can't even explain how things gone wrong. I can't even say for sure we are not. Hey, Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Ejima, Ofu Oparanelio, Kata Kata.
Obim, this is the height of your insults. I swear I will never forgive you for this. Obim has the guts to insult me in public, to fight with me in public. Obim, you won't go scot-free with this, I swear.
Obim. Wait, Ikem, are you trying to tell us right now that Obim did all that to you in the presence of the elders in the village?
Yes! And the most painful part of it is that he called me a ritualist. Obim had the guts to insult me in public. Just simply I was discussing with Mazuka over my upcoming election, and that idiot just came out from nowhere and just started raining abuses on me.
I said it, that your brother is so worthless. He's useless, he's a fool.
Ikem, I don't get it. You mean Obim called you a ritualist on your way go in the village in the presence of all the elders? Yes. And now all the elders will start thinking that you're a ritualist, and it's very, very bad of him. Huh?
I mean, he's just being jealous. Yes! He's just being jealous that I am more successful than him. I am far more better than him. Far more richer than him.
Very well.
In fact, in every aspect of life, Obim cannot stand me.
At all.
I just pity him because he has no brain.
Thank God you know. My love. Don't worry yourself. Don't disturb yourself, okay? Very soon, they will come kneeling and begging. Trust me now, Christabel. The one and only first lady of Mr. Ikem Okoro's family. I will sure deal with them. I will teach them a lesson they will never forget in a hurry.
Obim went too far, calling you a ritualist. Christabel, please, you just need to calm him down, okay? Because right now, he's tensed up.
The most annoying part is that the ritualist, he called me in front of the elders. I mean, what will those elders be thinking of me right now?
You're a ritualist. That's it. But you are on your way,
Obim, you have taken this too far. I swear on our father's grave, you won't go scot-free with this.
Obim went too far.
My love, calm down. God has made you a millionaire.
Yes.
And you're greater than them. There's no two ways about it. There's nothing they can do about it. You're a great man, and that is why they are jealous of you. So you don't have to be worried. But I don't care about them. If they like, they should even jump into an ocean.
It beats my imagination how things done so. I can't even explain how things gone wrong. I can't even say for sure whether we are twin or not. Hey, Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Ejima, Ofu Oparanelio, Kata Kata. Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Ejima, Ofu Oparanelio, Kata Kata.
Hey,
my sister, I was just coming from your house.
Well, let's go now.
But I've stayed and waited for you. I decided to go back home because I'm expecting some people at home.
Okay.
How are you, my sister?
I'm fine.
I came to check on you to know how far you are getting on with your children. How is Obim and Nkem?
One of those ones, they are fine. Fine up.
Thank God. I am so worried about you because the troubles of these children are really getting on you. Everything is affecting me. I don't know why they are always fighting. What is it?
Amarom. I don't know what they are struggling for. Where these children, I don't understand. I've tried to think about it. What are they struggling for? Amaram.
I heard that they are fighting over that land that
Agree.
Yes.
If they are not fighting about the land, they must pick something and start fighting about it. That's the problem.
Terrible.
Terrible. And don't look at the whole thing. I don't understand.
Why am I in your house? I am praying day and night.
You just keep praying for me.
Anyway, let me run along. Okay. I want you guys to meet those people looking for me at home. Be careful and be strong for me. You know, go. I want to take care. God in there. God in there.
No, the animal I call my brother will never change. And I told you one thing, that whenever it crosses my path, I will surely deal with him. Oh. Yes, I will.
You calm down. No matter what, he's your blood.
No.
He's still your blood.
No. He can never be my brother. A brother who has the temerity to fight his own twin brother is never my brother. Yes. Do you know what he told me in the village? He fought me in the village. No. I even went as far to call him Okonkwo, a ritualist. Yes, he deserves it. He deserves it. Oh my God.
Baby. Baby, you went too far. I mean, why will you call your brother a ritualist? Okonkwo. No. Baby, calm down. I understand.
Darling, you will never understand. You will not understand.
I understand. Just calm down so you don't have high BP. Pico. You don't want you. Okay? Calm down.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hi, Christabel. How are you doing? Good to see you.
Princess, I don't know what you and your husband want from us. That your husband has the guts to fight with my husband in the village.
Christabel, what is your problem? What is your problem, for God's sake? Since you married into Okoro's family, you've changed all of a sudden. Just because of my husband's twin brother, Ikem. Christabel. Look, you are more than a sister to me.
I am not your sister. Oh, please, just stop this your holier than thou attitude and teach your husband some good manners.
Terai, I should teach my husband good manners. Listen to what you're saying. Huh? Well, I've heard what you said. Excuse me.
Come back here. Princess, because you were the first to be married into Okoro's family, you think you can talk to me anyhow you wanted, isn't it? Listen, let me tell you. I am Christabel Okoro, the one and only first lady of Mr. Ikem Okoro's family. So there's nothing you and your useless husband can do about it.
You call my husband useless. Christabel, you called my husband useless.
Oh, yes, he is.
Mazuka, I'm waiting. Oh. Mazuka. Ọ ga-adị mma onye nkwụ.
Hey! Onye
nkwụ. I know why you've come here today. For me to give you another bottle of drink. No drink for you. I will not give even a bottle today, so start going. Again.
You know why I love you? I love you so much because you don't have time for gossip. Yes. You are not like other women in this village who gossips about you. I wonder why trouble decided to enter your household. You don't even deserve it at all. I love you so much. As for that drink, just forget it. Leave drink for another time. I will come again.
Hi.
Yes, I'm coming again.
Ogadima, do you know you're blessed with so much wisdom?
Yes. People don't know.
Yes.
So
why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you always drinking? Okay, look at how you're concerned about my family. Thank you very much for your concern.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
What is going on? Mazuka.
Mazuka, why are you pushing me? Do I look like a wheelbarrow to you?
What is he doing here? Huh? What are you doing here? Let me tell you, if you are here for more drinks, I am sorry, you've lost it. There's no more drinks here. Burial has ended. So you better find your way. Start going now.
So you are trying to tell me now that you forgot the drink you promised me. You see why I don't love you? I don't even trust you. You barge into my privacy. Will I call it? Yes, my privacy, because I was discussing with a good woman. Yes, you are a good woman. You are promised and fail. That is what you are. Imagine, you forgot the drink. You see, your yes is no, and your no is yes. Your go is come. Your come, look at it very well. It will turn to go.
It's okay.
There is no problem. Madam, let me be going. Since there is no problem.
Listen to me.
I'm listening.
I know I promised you a drink. I don't have it now. When I have money, I will give you the drink. Did you hear what I said?
Okay.
But as at now, you can leave.
I can leave.
Adugo, I want to discuss something very important with you.
No, that's what I've been waiting for you since.
I've been waiting for you so that you want to discuss? I hope what you want to discuss with her is what will bring peace, joy, and harmony to her household.
Ibu idiot.
Idiot.
Idiot. Kebo.
Well, why I'm saying this is because I love them. When they were small, I so much love them. I don't joke with them. Please, and don't forget the drink you promised me. I'm coming back.
Hey! Adugo. Ọkwa mbọsị amụrụ onye a. Mkpu na-akpọ. Ololololo. Amụrụ gị no. Amụrụ nwa nwoke. Just imagine. I'm sorry, please. You see, I was just coming for us to discuss, but you know, this drunk has made us, in fact, I am late where I'm going because I want to go and see my friend. So please, don't be offended. When I come back, discuss. Please, don't be offended.
No, no problem. Man, I've been waiting since.
My dear friend, Lucy, can you imagine? Me, Christabel Okoro, the only first lady of Mr. Ikem Okoro's family. That princess, that useless princess, will look at me in the face and want to give an advice.
You, giving you advice? I don't understand. Giving you advice as what?
It's my mother.
Hey, God.
Has she finished giving herself an advice? That one who is the architect of crisis in your family. Look at what a bad wife can cause. Princess, she will never do. Don't mind her.
No, leave her. Let her continue. I swear by the time I'm through with her, she will never live to tell the story.
What kind of nonsense is this? Giving you advice as more thing.
Hey God.
Don't mind her. That one should not bother you. How about your mother-in-law?
Who?
Your mother-in-law.
That old witch. She's the worst. Listen, to tell you the truth, I am tired of my mother-in-law. She sees me as a troublemaker, while she sees Princess as an angel.
Princess, that fool as an angel. Don't mind them. There is a big problem in your husband's family. That's why I don't want to get married to a man whose mother is still alive. I can't do.
Anyway, my dear, what can I offer you? Sorry.
Anything, my dear.
I have champagne, please.
Okay.
And by sweet girl.
Imagine, you've been giving her a please bring the drink fast.
Remember the drink you promised me. Okay. I said stop and you are moving. Remember the drink you promised me. Are you deaf? Huh? I've been shouting your name. Remember the drink you promised me. I'm here to collect it.
Ogade. Ogade, ma.
Yes.
Ogade.
Bobam.
Ogade.
Okato.
How many times did I call you?
10 times.
Okay.
10 good times. Calling me names cannot solve this problem.
Will you shut up your mouth? Uchonu rere. Can jog. Etaraku. Kokezegede. How many times have I warned you never to call me by my full name? Huh? Do you know that I am one of the owners of this village? And let me warn you for the last time. The next time you call me by my full name, Agwange, na miracle, ne bumbe.
Is it because of this red thing you are putting on your head? This red thing that always make you to promise and fail? Huh? Okato. Look, I am here to collect that drink. Do I look like a tortoise? A ringimbe?
You are like Mbe. In fact, Mbe is better than you. Look at you. Mbe is better than you. It's even better you become Mbe.
Okato, let me have my drink. Now I can see you need it from me.
Need what?
Okato, I can see you want to see the other side of me. Okato, I want you to give me the drink you promised me here right now. Give me the bottle of drink you promised me.
Ogadima, what is the meaning of this?
That is the meaning of that.
By holding, squeezing a titled man like me, let me tell you one thing you don't know about me. If you look for my trouble, if you are my younger one, I will bring my age down to your age level and fight you. If you are my mate, we'll do it. If you are older than me, I will fast forward my years to get you at your age. Then I will fight you.
Okay,
don't
worry. Troubles those who troubles trouble.
Okay. Drink is your problem.
That is my problem. That is what is keeping me strong.
Drink is your problem.
Give me my problem.
Okay, let me give you.
Give it to me.
I will give you money so you go and buy the drink.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking. Give it to me.
I'll give you money.
Now you are talking. Give it to me. Hey! Mazukato! Hey! I am my eye! I'm seeing double. Mazukato! If I get up from here, I will finish you. I will teach you a lesson, Mazukato. Are you running? Hey! Somebody help!
He came to that.
Mike, what are you doing in my house?
He came. What kind of question is that?
Because the last time I checked, I never invited you to my house, so what's I doing here?
What am I doing in your house? What kind of question is that? I don't...
Oh, just shut up! Don't try to play smart on me. You think I didn't see you?
What are you talking about?
I saw you with my enemy. And tell me, what were you guys discussing? That I'm the bad son of the family or now I'm the bad twin?
Hey, can you just calm down? Let's talk. Please. Just sit down, let's talk. The fact that you saw me with your brother, Obin, doesn't mean I have any invitation towards you. Okay?
Really?
Listen.
Really?
Yes.
Now, before I open my eyes, you're out of my house. Get out!
Okay, you're asking me out of your house.
I said, get out! Get out!
I should leave your house.
Get out! Backstabber. Idiots.
Yo, yo.
The next time I see you again, I'll break your head.
Yeah, yeah. Ilo de no na joker.
Sweetheart.
Oh, sweetheart. How are you?
Fine. Hope you enjoyed the meal.
Sure, I do. You know, you and I know that every other field are excellent. Sure.
Thank you so much, baby.
You're welcome.
That reminds me, Mama called earlier.
Okay.
She said she has been trying your number, but it's not connecting.
Wow. I guess that should be bad network. You know how the network is in this area. But anyway, tell me, what did she say?
Well, as usual, she said her food stock is finished. Her rice, her yam, everything is finished. That she needs money for her upkeep.
Darling, Mama will not stop amazing me. You and I know that I placed Mama on a monthly salary.
Yes.
And if you should ask me what she does towards the money, I don't know. I don't know who to ask.
Sweetheart, she is your mother. Sure, let's do it for her since she asked. Okay? Yes, let's do it for her.
Well, it's okay. It's okay. That means that you'll be going to the market first thing tomorrow morning so that you can get everything she needed, and I will take the stuff you bought for her myself. Because soon I'll be going to the village.
Oh yeah, thank
sure.
you.
You're welcome.
I love you so much. You're the best.
Sweetheart, I love you too. You've always been the best. Come here.
So Lisa, the Ike we are talking about here is my late brother's son. I know him very well.
But there's no how that boy can be the local government chairman. He cannot. That boy has caused a lot of harm in this family. In fact, he has put our family in disarray. So how can somebody that cannot control his own family be the local government chairman? That means our local government will be in disarray.
Mazuka, you know we discussed about this thing during our last meeting, but you were one-sided. You supported him. You never gave us listening ears, simply because he's your brother's son. Now you see, you're confirming it now.
Actually, I am sorry about that. I know he's not good, but I was thinking that he's going to change.
But he has refused to change. He's getting worse day by day.
Look, let me tell you, see that boy? That boy is full of empty promises. He will tell you, I will bring heaven down. I will bring the earth up. I will jump off them. I will do this. I will do that. Can you imagine? Look at my car.
The uncle's car. This car has been here for more than 1 year. He'll keep promising me, I'll give you money to fix this car. Don't worry, I'll even paint it, I'll change the color for you, I'll put the AC, Ntoyi, for you, I'll do this, do that. He has not done anything. That boy, very trickish human being, cunning human being. Obiona Migari Kazo. You know, Amankende Beke Boro. That boy is Mirinda. Meandering. Mirinda Kana boy. That is whom that boy is.
Mazuka, there is no way we are going to give him our support. I, as the village youth leader, have mobilized the village youths and we've come to a conclusion that there is no way we are going to give him our support. Look at the light he said he will bring in. No way. Everything is just there. Fake. His life is just full of fake. The transformer he said he was going to bring, he did not even bring it. The one he brought is not even working. So, Mazuka, we have come to a conclusion that we are not going to give him our support. And that is final.
Yes. That's good. I am giving you people full support. Okay? What you use to this, the more you look, the more you see. Meandering like agua. Meandering. You're on your plan. Up and down. It's not going
And my sister, Joma, I have come to know why you have not been attending a women's meeting. And that our leader and other members of our meeting are not happy with your consistent absence because for 3 consecutive times you have not attended the meeting. They have decided that come our next meeting, which is coming a day after our market, that you're going to pay a fine. And that I should tell you also not to fail in attending that particular meeting.
Thank you for the information. But I will try and attend the next meeting. Enugo, if they ask me to pay a fine, I will not argue with them, I will pay. But this coming meeting, by the grace of God, I will pay.
You don't have to thank me. As your friend, I am equally very worried. I need to know why you have not been coming. So what is the problem? What has been keeping you from attending like you used to do before? What is it?
Ike, my son, has succeeded in bringing shame and disgrace to me. That's why I've been hiding myself inside this house. Which that's why I'm hiding myself inside.
Is that what you're going through? No. Oh, it's okay. I will talk to them. I will explain things to them. Okay. But you have to keep that money, that fine together so that you don't have to embarrass you. If they still insist you pay, you just give them. Oh, but you will just be trying to be coming gradually. Oh, it's coming.
I will.
You see, the reason why I called you all here as the youth leader of this village is to discuss about this Ikem's intention of wanting to become the local government chairman. Because to me, it is not acceptable. So I've called you all here to hear what you have to say. That is why I called this meeting.
He's too foolish, greedy, and selfish in Maziokolo's family. With all his educational level and money, he still behave like a tout. Man.
Wait though, how can he even say what he knows nothing about? And he knows that it can never be possible. See, he must be dropped from the race. Ikem Oyara, the foolish man. In fact, the whole village is tired of him. Look at what he's doing to his younger brother, Obim.
Yes. Because that is the reason why I called you all here, to hear what you say. So we have come to an agreement that Ike is not going to be the local government chairman.
Wow!
Youth, am I making sense?
What did I overheard you say?
And you, what did you hear me say? You drunk?
Huh? You call me a drunk? I am a drunk. Accepted. But that does not mean that you all are better than Ikem. You see, that Ikem you people are gossiping here can buy the whole entire district. In fact, buy you all. He can give you money, train you in school. In fact, stop gossiping him. It's not good.
Oh, we get out here. Fight, stand on you.
Then you get in here. Stupid thing. Look at who is talking. Eh? Human being came out, and you, animal. You are also talking to me. Stupid thing. Get away, you here.
Okay, man.
And so what? What is, look at grey head, small boy like you.
You are the most miserable thing I've ever set my eyes on in this village.
If I match you, what will happen? Get away. Okay, you want to challenge me?
Leave here.
I thought you can fight now. I'm here shouting. You can't even stand up.
My friend, leave here. You are pushing me.
Don't worry. I will go and come back. Let me go and prepare myself.
Leave here.
Let me go and prepare myself.
Oh, yeah, man.
Can you imagine? Please forget about the drunk. Let's discuss on something important. So what I'm saying is that there is no way we have all come to an agreement.
Yes. Point.
Is it not?
Point.
Yes.
Yes.
Have we not? Mama, look at you. You're not looking bad at all, you know. That is why I came to the village to come and know how you're doing. I mean, how you're faring too.
My son, I am fine. Why wouldn't I look like this when you are taking good care of me?
Wow.
Eh? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But how is my daughter-in-law, Princess?
Oh, Mama, she's fine. Actually, she told me what you said on the phone, and that is why I came to the village to come and hear what you want to say.
Princess is such a beautiful woman. She's a very good person. She is beautiful inside and outside. Honestly. But when is she coming to the village to see me? I want to see her.
Mama, very soon, okay? Very soon she'll be here, okay? You see, Mama, sorry, don't be offended, okay? Why can't you come to the city so that we can put our eyes on you? We will know what you're doing. This village is so lonely for you, Mama. Can't you see? There's nobody in the village.
I'm not going to any city. How can I go to the city? Who will take care of my farmland? My chickens, my goats, everything. Who will take care of them? They will all die. Stop,
okay? Those things can be taken care of. It's a small matter. We can get a laborer who can fix that for you. At the end of it, you'll get a return. More money, Mama.
How can somebody go to the city? I'll just go there and sit without doing anything. I'll just get sick. But how I wish your brother was as caring as you are. Look at the way you're taking care of me. You're so concerned about me. I wish your brother is like this. I won't be complaining.
Mama, listen. Ikem has his own life to live. I am Obi, the son. It's okay, Mama. Oh, bless you, Mama. Mama, it's okay.
Let me get you something to eat.
Oh, Mama, I missed your food. I missed your food. Oh, look, soup. Abacha.
Are you even nice? Hi, I greet you. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Hi. I was passing and I saw one jeep. I believe that jeep belongs to Obi. Where is he? Can I see him? Hi.
So he is to ask after my son.
Yes, it's been long.
I saw the jeep. I'm calling on my next to him. He won't be more than a drink. Obim Biao. Obi name is Sobo. Obi. See who is looking. Obi lonely. I'm making it see. I'm very, very fine. Yes. Even if I'm not fine.
Man looking at you, I'm okay. Yes. You see, you look so handsome now. Very, very okay. In fact, you look like Oliver the Cope, the junior.
Okay, yes. Mama, thank you very much.
Yes.
This one you came visiting me. What's the problem?
I am here to see you. There is one wine. Those Oyibo people call champagne. Can I have it? Yes, so that I will look handsome like you.
Okay, Mama. If I should get you the champagne, will it make you happy?
Hey, in fact, over happy. I will be very, very okay. Let me happy. Okay, I'm waiting. I will not look out for.
Madam. Isolate it. I need two of these. And then one water leaf.
Obi! So this is your plan? This is your plan, eh? So you have succeeded in going around the village, spoiling my name, so that the youth will vote for me. Huh?
Please, take your madness somewhere else. I am not ready for trouble.
So I am not mad. Obi, I am not mad. Obi, I am not mad. Eh? I will show the entire community that I am mad. You're calling me that I'm mad. Community, you said that I am mad. I am mad.
Okay, take your trouble somewhere else. I am not ready for this.
Yes,
I'm not ready for this.
You say you're not ready for this. Come on. You're mad. You're mad.
Wait. Somebody help. What? Hey!
You will give me a
Mazi, where are you? Mazi, come on! Mazi! Hey! Who is in the house? Who is there? The twins!
What happened to them?
They are fighting! Come and help me.
Are you sure?
Hey! I'm over. Come.
Let's see them. Follow me. Ikem. If I say that I am not disappointed in both of you, I'm a liar. I'm not honest with myself. What is wrong with both of you? How could you do a thing like that? So all the fights you've been fighting in this compound is not good enough for you. Now you've decided to take it to the public. You started washing your dirty linen in the public. I am ashamed of both of you, and you should be ashamed of yourselves. What is wrong with both of you? I'm asking you.
Mazoka, are you aware that Obim has parked this car here for the past 2 days?
All of us were here. Why in the neighbor?
And he just came back. And this fight will be done. They didn't see another place to fight. They didn't fight in this compound. It's at the junction where people will see them. Mazoka, my family are Bulugo laughing stock because of these stupid people that are called twins. Twins and Diala Mujuna. Have you seen it? They are not fighting in this compound again. They are fighting all over the place. Villagers are now laughing at me. Makandi Diala Mujuna. Chineke na na boko. Okunu. Idiots.
Ikem, I blame you for all this. You are the cause of this. Yes, you are the cause of this. And I will tell you, you are the cause of this. You just came into this village not more than 30 minutes ago. You just started fighting your brother, creating sin in the public. What kind of twins are you? Look, if not that I was there when your mother gave birth to 2 of you, I wouldn't believe that both of you are twins. Because twins are coordinated, they love themselves, they do things in common, unlike you. What is wrong with you? I ended you disgrace is enough. Omale.
Ikem, you are bad blood from Okoro's clan. Nonsense! Huh? Are you looking at me? You are looking at me. I'm not scared of you. I'm not afraid of anybody, not even the governor of this state. Yes, if the governor does rubbish, I will tell it to him to stop talking rubbish. Nonsense! You want to kill this woman? If you kill this woman, your eyes will be opened. like that of Adam and Eve in the Bible. When they ate the forbidden fruit, their eyes was opened. Huh? Look at you. Whenever you passes me, you smell like gwego. Huh? Look at your crying for help. Look at your bears crying. And you don't want to help yourself. Yeah? If you kill her now, your eyes will be opened. Like that fish that swallowed Jonah. I don't even know if you are Jonah. The fish will so swallow you. You know them? Don't look at me that way. Don't look at me that way. Nonsense. I'm talking to you. Repent.
What are you going to do? You have to hit him. Hit him, let him see. Hit him, let him see. Look, this talk is not like Okaleman's talk. And you, we are. He said the fact.
Obi, I wonder what is going on. What you promised me the last time when you were going back, you've not given it to me.
Mazuka, what could that be? Because I can't remember.
Have you forgotten so soon? The last time you visited, when you were going back, you promised me that when you return, you will give me some money. And since you came back, I've been expecting for your, for you to ask me to come for the money, and you've not said anything. So I don't know.
Mazuka, nothing is going on, okay? It's just that I hardly go with cash these days. But before I leave for the city, I will surprise you.
Okay. Don't be offended. If I may ask, like how much am I expecting from you?
Mazuka, you see, don't worry. Let's do it this way. You send me your account details via message. I will forward the money to you. I mean, transfer the money into your account.
Yes, I will. Once I give you my account number, I'll get a lot.
You get a lot. You get a lot of 100,000 naira.
100,000. Yes. It's okay. I am very, very happy. God will bless you. I will do that immediately.
It's okay. It's okay. I believe that will be okay for now.
Let me be managing with it for now.
If I tell people that I'm happy about what you people are doing in this village, I will be lying to myself. Have I wronged you people in any way? Have I? Why are you people doing this to me? We are now the talk of the town. Everybody in this village knows this house as a house of terror. Why? What have I done to you people? People were not like this when you were growing up. You were raised with so much love. Now all you do is to fight. Even your wives have started fighting too. What have I done to you people? For the past 6 months, you've not spoken with me on the phone. It's either I call you and you will not pick. You will see my missed calls, you won't call back. Or sometimes I will call you, and you will not call me. Or the man. It's your mother. I carried you for 9 months. And I gave birth to you, and you sucked this breast for 2 years. He came in 2 years. This is how you will treat me. All you do is to fight with Obim every time in this house. I don't want to die before my time. Before you will regret it. I am saying it. If you people succeed in killing me before my time, you will regret it. Keep on fighting.
Mazuka, I know you too well. Yes, I know you too well. You are a cunning man. Yes, a green snake in a green grass. That is what you are. Whenever you say the truth, you say it. Say it, because if you refuse to say it, the wrath of heaven will be upon your head. So you cannot tell Ikem that what he's doing is wrong. Huh? Whenever you want to talk to him, you will bend like a chicken. Huh? You are a cunning man. You are a chameleon. Obumagana.
Ogadema,
Did I hear you say that I am a cunning man? Eh? So you came to my house to insult me, and you are not afraid. You will leave her to come to my house and insult me.
Yes, eziokwu na agbafu. Eziokwu na agbafu. I must tell you the truth, because you are not a good man. You are not a good man. Even if you want to say the truth, say it, so that Oga Dregenamma. Oga Dregenamma. Mazoka. Stop doing like a snake. I was in a cargo. Dude, are you a snake? Look, I will come back. I will keep on telling you.
Okay, wait before you go. What is your business in my family? Eh? What is your business? We are talking about my late brother's children. You are not part of this business. We did not relate to you in any way. What is your concern in this family? I'm asking you.
It is my business because I love them. Yes, I love them, even if they are your late brothers, whatever. Is that why you will see the truth and hide it? You see the truth and say it. Boy, whenever you want to talk to him, you bend yourself because of the little money you want to collect from him.
Leave my house now. Leave my compound.
Say the truth and let it
leave now.
Set you free.
I said leave.
I will leave and I will come back again.
Idiot. Onye anwụrụma, ọkwa efo gị. Eh? Ihe wụ idiot. Iwu idiot. Eh? The next time I see you in this compound, I will deal with you. Anyway, I know what to do. I know what is good for you. I will go and buy bingo. Can go to Okonkwo bingo. Dotenona. The next time you come to this compound, I will command the bingo to finish you off. Onyala. And Onyamoroma.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Hey.
Actually, I was back going up before you came. How is Emeka? Hope he's fine.
Emeka is fine. He's at home.
And I believe he's almost running up.
He's running up. Oh, everything is just coming together.
Oh, good. Let me start going.
Ikenna. How are you?
All them boy.
Kedu?
All them boy.
Oh, mama. How is your mother? Where is she?
She's fine. But Mama left for the church since morning. Yes.
Oh, she went to the... Oh, it's okay.
So, Mameka, since he's here around, let me start going. I was back going up before you came in.
No problem. Come, my son. Now that I am here, I think I would like to have 1 or 2 words with both of you.
It's okay.
I'm calling your mother.
Yeah, of course.
I've been looking forward to it.
It's okay, ma. But can I get a chair so you can sit down?
It's okay.
All right.
Okay. Ikenna,
my mama.
Do you know why your grandmother, Dorothy, named you Ikenna?
No.
Good. When you were giving birth, because all of us were there, your grandmother was there, all of us were there. Your grandmother looked at you. She looked at you. She said, this is my husband's strength.
Wow.
This is my warrior. This is Ikenna, which means my husband's strength. We all smiled because your eyes were open and you were struggling with your hands and legs. And then she looked at your brother, Obin. Do you know why she called you Obin?
No.
She looked at you, you were calm, peaceful. Your eyes was full of love, compassion, all over you. And she smiled and said, this is the heart of my husband, Obin.
Oh, Obin. Wow. That's good.
And it was so beautiful, we were all happy. I know that your mother would be the happiest in this village if both of you could as much as live near to the names that we are giving to you. But if both of you keep fighting each other like you are doing presently, I bet you will lead her to her untimely death because your mother is going through hell now. That is why I keep coming every time to check up on her. It's okay. Like I said, it's just a little word. And it is said that a word is enough for the wise. I just want both of you to meditate on this thing that I've said and try to live by it.
Okay.
I should be on my way.
Mayemeka, can I ask you something before you go?
Yes, my son, please do.
Mayemeka, when you were talking about my name, you just called me just one name. A warrior. But when you were talking about Obim's name, you so much emphasized on his name. You called him love, care, kindness, and lots more. Mayemeka, what about me? Why is it nobody talks good about me? Why is it nobody cares about me?
My son, we care much more about you. You know why? Because you were meant to protect your brother. You were meant, you were brought, you were born to be a shield for him and a protector to your mother. That's why your grandmother said, my strength, the strength of my husband, has come back to life. When your mother gave birth to you, you were a warrior. You were full of strength. You were struggling while your brother was calm. The wisdom of the old can never be neglected. It's okay, my children.
All right, thank you very much.
I am your auntie. I should be on my way.
Let me follow you. I'm also going out too.
You can stay with your brother. Let me go.
Obim, I am not done with you. We shall see.
Obim ikem, Obim ikem, Obim ikem. Ejima, ofu obara nelilio, kata kata. Yo yo, ilo deno na joka. Yeah yeah, ilo deno na joka.
Obi, how are you? So how is Mama? Really? So tell me, what did you eat today? What for no? Oh, I missed it. Mama cooked it. Oh, is she there? Can I speak to her? Oh, okay, no problem. I love you so much, my love. You know what? Just take good care of yourself. Avoid trouble, okay? When are you coming back? Okay. I love you so much. Come back quickly, okay? And have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Kiss again.
Who is pushing me? Stop pushing me! Hey! 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 Ogadima, I'm now on the phone. Is it real? I'm seeing double. It seems heaven is now on earth rotating. Hey! In fact, I will not stop drinking. This gives me strength to fight over my enemy. To fight all the wicked people in this community. In fact, I will drink you. Finish you. Tomboleko. Agamana so kuleko. Agama so kuleko. Ruso kotaleko. Nkubu ndojo na ndojo ni nejurubuda. Nonsense. Ikem. Give me water.
Okay, Mama.
Wash your hand, let's eat, go.
Mama, I have checked inside the room. I can't find my food. Where is my food?
Wash your hand, let's eat now. Everybody's food is here.
Okay, why can't you just go and
Please just shut up. Mama, I cannot eat with this fool. I am asking for the last time, where is my food?
Okay, why can't you just join us and let's eat together as one family?
What
is the meaning of this you just did right now? What is the meaning of this?
Ikem, you mean you poured the food I suffered to cook? Oh my God. That was the same food you poured away. The food I offered you water to wash your hand so that we could eat. Ikem, you poured it away. You are a devil. What kind of a stupid son is this?
Mama, I told you I cannot eat with this idiot that can poison me easily. Do you want to kill me?
Mama, can you just see what you just did now? If I begin to react to what this food just did now, they will say I talk too much. How can a sensible man like this throw a food you suffer to cook for both of us? Huh? Ikem, you are a devil. You are mad. You are crazy. How dare you do a thing like that? The food that I and Mama is eating. How dare you? Have you gone nuts or something?
Ikem, you're a very wicked soul. I have never had a wicked son like you. What is wrong with you, you idiot?
Mama, save yourself all those breaths. You had no sons outside there, apart from the both of us. Except there is one outside there which you've not told us about.
So this is how you pay me back? Is this how you're going to pay me back for being your mother?
Ikem, I swear to God in heaven, if you dare try this next time again, I will so beat hell out of you. I will beat you.
You will beat me.
Yes, Ikem, I will beat you. Yes, I will beat you.
Ikem, what do you want to do?
Mad.
What do you want to do?
You are a devil.
In fact, I don't have time for the both of you.
What?
Go to hell.
You see, my son, I've warned you severally about those hungry and foolish youths of our village. I told you they don't love you, they don't like you. They wouldn't like you to pass the screening. In fact, they would like you to fail. But you wouldn't listen to me.
Mazuka, I understand what you're trying to say, okay? And I appreciate you advising me as a father, okay? But you see, I know these youths very well. They love me. And I know they will never turn their back on me. They can die for me. I mean, I spend a lot of money on these youths. They are ready to do anything for me, okay? That shouldn't be a problem here.
So you've not heard what happened?
Mazuka, what happened? What is happening?
Oh, you don't know that you've been disqualified from the race? Yes, quote me.
It's a lie. Mazuka, you mean after all the money I gave to those youths, they still went ahead to stab me at the back?
Look, my son, next time when I'm talking to you, when I'm advising you, you should pay heed to my advice.
Mama, at last I've stayed enough with you. Yes. You see, I got a call earlier today at the office that my attention is highly needed. So, first thing tomorrow morning, I'll be leaving for Lagos.
Hey,
Now you've really tried, honestly. See the way you left everything you were doing and came to the village to stay with me. I really appreciate. God bless you.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. You see, nothing is too big for you. As far as I'm alive, if not for the call I received from the office, I would have loved to stay with you in the village. You know I'm going to miss your food, like your abacha, your kazi, your nugo. I miss them all. I'm going to miss them.
You finished my food.
Yes, I will give you money for that. I will pay you all the money that I said.
You have finished my food.
Mama, it's me. I will give you money. I have money.
Lest I forget. I will give you some things that I want you to give to my daughter-in-law before you leave, okay? I have Oba for her. I have Okoroko, Ogiri, and good palm oil. She's a very good woman.
Oh yeah?
Honestly. So she deserves nothing but the best. Inugo?
Yeah, of course on my head. But you know one thing, you will not stop amazing me. That's what you want. But you know what? She'll be very happy to receive all those gifts. But you know what? Very soon we shall be coming for Xmas. I mean, for Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
Come and eat all your food.
Oh, thank you.
Mama, it's okay, Mama. Oh, Mama. Yeah, come on, you don't have the time. You deserve the best. You deserve all the best. It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
Hi, Lucy, baby. How are you? Lucy, you look good. How are you doing? It's been a while. Lucy, what is it? I've been talking to you and you're not responding. What's the problem?
Princess or whatever they called you, I don't want to know. Please, if you know what is good for you, leave me alone. Is it by force to talk to you? Leave me now.
Lucy, why are you acting like this? Remember we've been friends for a very long time.
Oh, please.
Even back in our school days. Why are you acting this way? I don't understand.
Friends from where?
Friends?
Not anymore. I cannot be a friend to a woman who is always in support of her husband's evil activities. Come on, princess.
Hey, wait. Who's been feeding you all this? Oh, Christabel told you, right? Huh? You're not listening to Christabel. Now listen to me. Read my lips. Go back to that Christabel. That same Christabel. And tell her to change from her evil ways.
Or else.
It's the youth that failed you, not your brother.
Azuka, stop saying this.
I know my brother. That boy is wicked. I know he has gone at my back to meet those youths and beg them not to vote for me. But I swear I am okay. I'll make his life so miserable. He will regret being my twin brother.
One more thing. Stop concluding on assumption.
I know what I am saying. I am not concluded. It's okay if you say so. So be it.
Mama.
Mama. Nna. You didn't say anything about what we discussed.
Mama, I thought we've discussed about this. Eh? Why this again this morning? Why are you making me feel bad?
How do you mean?
Mama, I know Obim left enough money with you before he left this house yesterday. Huh? Why are you asking for more? In fact, Mama, I don't have any money, okay? Business is bad.
Hey! Ikem! Mama. Did you just listen to yourself? Did you? Ikem, you know, sometimes when you talk in this house, you baffle me. I'm surprised. Isi ma ada what I say. Ikem, did you say that Obim gave me money? Okay, let me tell you. I did not ask Obim for money because Obim has been helping me. What
What have you given me in this house for a very long time? Obim came back with 2 bags of rice. He came back with granite oil. He came back with everything. He came with and you ate it. And you opened your stupid mouth to talk to me like that. You don't know what I can do.
That's why I'm in my mother's house. You're to cook for me.
Oh, I'm your mother.
Yes.
And I'm supposed to get money from the trees and cook for you. If I let me go get one.
Mama, please, I don't have time for all this. I'm late.
I'm late. You come. Okay. Perfect, yeah.
Mama, were you the one that invited him?
Okay, let me go.
I've been waiting for you since 5 a.m. Yes, knowing fully well that you will be leaving for the city this early morning. So I have come to collect the package you left for me. Let me have it, please, fast.
Ogadema, in fact, you're very, very stupid. You are hopeless. And listen, let me advise you as a brother. It is high time you go to the city to hustle like your mates. Instead of you killing yourself with drink in this village.
Ikem, am I the one you are talking to? Ikem, you are an idiot.
You are mad.
You are in fact, you are a bombastic element. Brutal drunken. Ikem, look at you. You are putting on white as if you are pure. Ikem, innocent. Yes, innocent. Look at the way you are talking to your mother. Because of change. Ikem, you must settle me.
Hey. Ogadima, if I talk to my mother the way I like, is she your mother?
Is that why you will talk to her like that? Ikem, let me tell you, you will travel. If you like, travel to confrontation. You will still come back and meet me here. My friend, come here. You must settle.
You're not going anywhere. What have been
You must settle us.
What have been Aga? You tell me go see something.
Obin, you are playing with fire.
What is the meaning of
You are playing with fire, Obin.
I ask you, what is the meaning of this?
Oh, you are asking me. Obin, so it has come to the extent that you have nothing good to do with your miserable life. That you have the guts to take your stinking self down to the village to go bribe the youths not to vote for me. Obin, has it come to that? So you have nothing more to do with your life. Obin, you're a devil. You are a devil now. I know how much you hate me.
Ikem, I can see you are a fool. Yes, you are. So you have the temerity to bang into my house just like that?
I have not even done anything.
Don't you have any common sense of reasoning? Ikem, you are daft. Leave my house.
Oh, Obin, you are playing with fire. Don't allow me burn you. Because if I do, Obin, I swear you will not survive it. I bet you. You will not survive my flames.
Ikem, you are too small for me to handle. Yes, you are too small for me. You are like an ant to me. And you know what? I wish you're not my twin brother. I would have killed you long before now. Or better still, put you behind bar. And you will spend the rest of your life in there. Ikem, get out of my house. Get out of my house.
Yeah, Obin, the battle has just begun. Be ready to face the crowd.
Get out. You are a fool. We shall see. You can't do nothing. You cannot do nothing, Ikem. We shall see.
Me and you, we be the same brother. Yeah. The same father, the same mother. Oh, be the same flesh, oh, my brother. You know, yeah. The same blood is running in our veins. Me and you, we supposed to be one. But we are cat and dog right now. Biting each shoulder, deep in, can't you feel it? Sinking deep in my heart, brother, can't you feel it? Yet we acting like we don't care, but you see that we dying inside.
You're very funny because you're not serious. Honey, that reminds me. You need to start packing some stuff that will be going home for Christmas first.
Going to the village for Christmas is not a bad idea. Okay?
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. No, it's been long we visited home for Christmas. So tell me, what will you get for Mama?
Mama, you're not buying anything now. Why? Your brother buys things in large quantity. Have you forgotten? Your brother will kill cow every year. In fact, not just one cow, 2 cows. And at the same time, we buy 3 gallons of groundnut oil and lots of foodstuffs. So what are we buying things for? What we only need is good clothes.
Yeah, you're right, you know. But at least for once, let's make a change. I mean, it mustn't be my brother all the time.
But we need clothes for ourselves.
It's okay, I'll go to you. That'll be okay. Well, that's nice, very good.
Hello. Yes, hello. Can you hear me? Yes. This is Mr. Obim calling from Nigeria. Yes. Are you the agent in charge of my goods at Indonesia? Oh, wonderful. Yes, I just want to thank you very much. Thank you for being helpful to me at Indonesia. You see, I call because I want the goods to arrive safe so that I and my family can go for Christmas. Yes, because you know how it is here in Nigeria. We have to go for Christmas because it's an every year routine. If we don't go, my mom will be, you know how it is here. Yes. I'll be so happy if the goods arrive safe. I'll be so happy. All right. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you for being helpful to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, okay? All right. Take care. See ya.
Lucy, you're welcome, darling.
Thank you, dear. Oh my God, you look so gorgeous in pregnancy. So, you're very beautiful and sexy.
Oh, come on, you can say that again. You know what? The applause should be given to my husband.
Are you serious?
Yes, because he's really doing a good work, you know.
Are you serious? Yes. I see. He's really doing a good job on you.
Thank you so much.
Hey, that reminds me. I saw that winch. That useless gay now. Your husband's brother's wife. Can you imagine? She stopped and want to give me a lift.
And you entered?
Me, Lucy. Am I mad? How will I enter? I turned that down.
Good for you.
Hey, from the look of things, it's as if she's also pregnant.
Whatever. Please, what do you care for?
I'm famished. I want to eat.
That means you need food. Let me get you food.
Sophie,
Mama.
No. Me go get the wine. Hey, whoa. Hi. So you're now pregnant. Going to be a grandmother.
Yes.
Yeah. Soon.
Congrats.
Sure, Mama. You're definitely going to be a grandmother.
Okay.
Soon you're going to be delivered. Come and stay with us in Lagos.
I will come.
Very soon, just like you said, you'll be a grandmother. I'm already a grandmother. And Mama, I can't wait to do the bed. My child cannot wait to see you.
You will, darling. You will. You don't know what you need. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Welcome. Now, no. Hey, grandmother, I'm quite good.
Princess, where's Mama?
Welcome. So how was your trip?
My husband just asked me a question which required a simple answer.
I don't have the time.
I was just trying to greet him.
Keep your greeting to yourself. By the way, where is my mother-in-law? And why didn't she come to welcome us?
Mama went out with my husband.
She went out with your husband to where? Anyway, keep your answers to yourself because I don't care to listen. But one thing you should know is that I, Christabel, the one and only princess of Mr. Ikem Okoro's family, is right back in the village. And I'm here to teach you a lesson.
Mama Meka. This one you are rushing as if you want to buy the whole thing in the market.
I am not buying everything. It's just that I want to go and get this early morning. Getting drunk again. I want to buy few things from the market, Ogad.
Few. I hope you are aware that Ikem and Princess and that wicked one, they are all back for the Christmas.
I know. Why are you laughing?
Yes, I'm laughing because this Christmas is going to be a very big one. Yes, we'll be watching African magic in Mazi Okoro's compound.
Exactly.
Because the Christmas will be
Exactly. You know that your mouth is full of stories every time, but I'm not ready to listen to anything. Actually, I may get that. Oh, let me go to the market.
Okay, make sure you buy me from wine. That will be your Christmas bonus for me. We are going to watch African magic.
Mazi, to tell you the truth, I'm so afraid. I mean, Obim is just so jealous of my husband. I'm afraid that someday he may kill him.
Nobody will kill anybody. So let me ask you, are you sure your husband here, Ikem, did not offend Obim? Because I don't know Obim as somebody who looks for trouble. He's not a troublemaker from his childhood. Yes.
Mazuka, why are you saying this? Me offend Obim? Mazuka, I am too big for him. Obim is just a small boy. Is it because he thinks he has started touching little money, he thinks he's a big boy? He can't contest with me.
At all.
Listen, Obim is just jealous of my success. That is it.
Exactly.
Anyway, I've heard all you said. Hey, but there's something that has been bothering me. It has been giving me sleepless nights, and I want to voice it out now. Just look at your father's compound. There's no good house in this compound. But you people are busy building mansions in the city. And you don't want to do anything here. You don't want to build anything here. Look, I want to roll. I'm marrying Paraya. Come and build here.
Mazuka, tell me why I should build a mansion in this village. Listen, I just bought a big, massive mansion in the neighboring village. I mean, what am I doing with that here? So that my brother will come and kill me and inherit my property? No, I will not. I can't do that.
Oh, you bought a mansion in the neighboring village?
Yes, a very massive one.
I should clap for you. Congratulations. Go on and be developing the neighboring village.
Okay, look at this one here. Who will stay in it?
Apart from Mama, you can build a house here so that your mother will enjoy your wealth when she's alive. And my brother, your late father, wherever he is in the grave, in the beyond, he will be happy that you people are doing well. That is what I am saying. Look, if I am going on the street, do you know what people used to say? Hey, look at this man. Hey, his late brother's children, they are millionaires. They are building mansions in the city. They cannot even build a good house in their compound. And this man don't want to talk to them. Heaven and earth is my witness. So I've been talking to you people. Come and build a house in my brother's compound.
Mazuka, I give you good money. If they talk, shut their mouth with money.
Yes, money is not everything. Money it is. You are now insulting me. Because you give me some peanut, you are insulting me now.
You're my best uncle, you know I can never do that. I'm only telling you to avoid talks from these stupid villagers. They can talk.
I'm forgiving you. I'm going to my house.
What is all this?
He wants me to erect a mansion here so that he will come and live in it. Huh?
Take the glory.
Take the glory.
I'm so happy for you. All your kids are just back, safe back from the field.
Wow.
Look at them. No.
Come make and do.
Nah, but you are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Just look at you. Pregnancy is looking good on you. It's like you people are.
Yes, Monica, we're going now. Just take a walk. But we'll back in.
Come back on time.
Mama, don't worry, we're back soon, okay?
Alright.
I hear you. Bye-bye, Mom.
Alright.
Hey, it reminded me those days. That's how pregnancy will be becoming. Laugh on a girl. Oh, no, I'm not taking my. Okay, you are fine.
Who took the 20,000 naira I left in my drawer? Huh? Who took the 20,000 naira I left in my drawer? What are you looking at? Where's my money?
What did I just heard you say? Did I hear you say 20,000 naira? Look at, get out of my friend. Why are you pushing me? Look at you and your stingy looking husband. Will you shut up your fucking mouth?
Akara died.
You are here looking for common 20,000 naira. I thought you would say 20 million naira. Money you can use as a toilet tissue in this house. You are here shouting, making noise, disturbing people.
Who invited you here?
Look at Willy. I invited myself. You are here shouting.
Ogadima, you are looking for my trouble.
Is your trouble lost?
I did not invite you into this house. This is a family matter. Okay. Before I close my eyes and open it, you've taken your stinking drunk life out of this house.
Please close it. Close it and open it. Nonsense. You and your two left legs wife.
Look at this dirty monkey. By the time we are through with you, you'll be looking for your corpse somewhere.
You are here shouting, disturbing people. Willy. A borrowed pregnancy.
Shut up.
Calm down now. Listen to me. Calm down. Look at your condition now. You want to start fighting a drunk?
Come and challenge me.
Look at your condition.
Pregnancy.
Come and fight me.
You know it's our baby. So stop. Don't even listen to him. Obi, give me back my money. I know you took that money. Give it back to me. Give me my money. Obi, are you working out on me?
Moral pregnancy.
Let's go.
Yo,
You are still shouting. Okay. Let me give him the phone.
Ilo deno na joka. Ilo wande na wande. Ilo deno na joka. Ilo fo balalo. Ilo deno na joka. Agu chori wagi beya. Ilo deno na joka. Do 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 do. Ilo deno na joka. Do do lima do do lima. Ilo deno na joka. Chuku biko nyelani aka. Ilo deno na joka.
Ogadi.
Hey!
Ogadi, where are you coming from and where are you going to again?
Obim!
Okay.
How? Princess! How? Chi baby! You are looking take away. In fact, meeting the two of you here makes my day the happiest day.
Oh yeah?
Hi! I am the happiest man on earth. Hi! You see? You are welcome.
Thank you.
Hi!
Ogadi.
Eh? Call me. That is me.
You're very, very funny.
Yes, you can say that again.
And I know you're just coming out from Paiwan joints.
Ah yes, that is. Where will I come out from? Where will I come out?
I said it.
That is where. In fact, there is new palm wine joint now that is open down the road. Yes, in that place you have whatever you want. They have monkey tail, onwokpa, baby oko, kerewa. In fact, nothing, everything, even abacha, nkwobi, isiewu. Yes, they have everything. So you can come there and enjoy yourself. Yes.
Ogadi, Ogadi, you will never change. I know this one you are saying, Owokpa, monkey tail, ukwobi. I know you need something.
Without being told. Without telling you.
You know, the way the country is right now, we don't go with cash, but I think you should have this. For me and my wife, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Wow!
The money you're having right now is $1. $1.
Oh, this is $1?
Yeah.
I've heard about it.
36,000 you're having there.
36,000? How? So today my hand touched $1.
Of course.
My life has changed. Thank you very much. In fact, may your good deeds never kill you. You shall not die. Many people are gone because they are too good. May your own remain permanent. Hey! I've been receiving gifts left, right, up and down. You can see my level has changed.
I can see that.
My dressing changed.
Your shoe, everything about you has changed.
Thank you. You can see my shoe.
Okay, the worst are going, okay?
Yes. You shall not die. Forget them. They are envy.
Once again, Merry Xmas and a prosperous
New Year.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi. She looks so beautiful now. Wonderful. Hi. Looking so take away. Thank you very much. In fact, keep giving me. Hi. I wish you how many Christmas? I wish you how many Christmas? I wish you how many Christmas? And you plenty dollars.
Christabel, why did you put down my pot of soup? You saw me cooking. Why did you do that? Bianwa, it's like you lack manners. It's like you don't properly train, Abi.
It is you and your entire generation that lacks manners. Rich!
Do your what? Christabel, you're daring me. Don't allow me to unleash my venom on you. Because I'm going to do that over and over again. You mannerless idiot.
How dare you call me a mannerless idiot?
You are a mannerless. Did you just slap me?
Yes, I did it. And I'm going to do it over and over again.
You. Just do that, we came in this house. Will you stop it? Come on, stop! Why did you put that her pot on soup? In that poala?
I know you support her.
Support you. Christabel, I'm warning you in this house. Because I know tomorrow you call me a bad mother-in-law. I am warning you. I am warning you in this house. Omega Diopama. I'm not fear. If you can say you've been on that.
Ma, one how?
Onyala.
One how? Because I will not tolerate it again.
What?
One how?
Christabel. My baby. Which baby? Welcome to Dame. Sorry, Dime. Leave her, let's go.
I know you always support her. I know you won't support her. Then my husband come back. Let the girl come back. You see. Useless people. Let the girl come back. I'll teach you people. I'll teach you people like this in this house.
My daughters. I called both of you my daughters because you're married to my sons. Please, I don't want division in this home. Biko. I don't want division. You know what is happening in this house. There's so much chaos in this house between my two sons. You people should not add to it. Biko. What does a good woman do? A good woman builds her home. The both of you are trying to destroy it. So which one are you? Are you a good woman or a bad one? Mama, will you shut up? Shut up. I don't want to die young. Before time I want peace in this house. I want joy. I want happiness. I want love. I want prosperity. I want all the good things in this house. You people should not kill me before my time. What kind of rubbish is this? Two pregnant women fighting. And both of you should take time in this house. Take time in this house.
Pain, tears. Pain, tears. Pain, tears.
Christabel, is this not the pail of water I've been looking for? Why did you throw the water away? What is wrong with you?
Yes. I took the pail of water. And so what?
Oh God, Christabel. Enough is enough. Don't try me in this household. Avoid me! If not, you see the beast in me.
My God, fire this your stupid mouth. Foolish woman. Like husband, like wife. By the time I'm through with you in this house, you will ever live to regret why you have been married into this family. You witch.
It is you! Your mother! Your entire generation that is a witch! You took out Jezebel. Look at you!
You fool. For calling me a witch. You will die in this pregnancy.
It is you!
You will die.
It is you that will die.
You will die. You will die. You will die. You will die. You will die.
Me and you, we be the same brother. Yeah. The same father, the same mother. Oh, be the same flesh, oh, my brother. You know, yeah. The same blood is running in our veins. Me and you.
The children want to kill me. They want to kill me before my time. The doctor said that my BP is too high. I don't know. My BP is too high. I don't know.
It's okay, my friend. My sister, it's okay. Nothing will happen to you. I don't know what is wrong with children of these days. Am I wrong? They don't listen to their parents anymore. What is wrong with you people? Do you want to kill your mother before her time? Just look at both of you. Princess and Christabel. Fighting. Instead of bringing peace to your home, you are the one making all the fights. What are you fighting for? So let me tell you, a good wife brings peace to her home, while a bad wife scatters it. What are you fighting for? You are pregnant, she is pregnant. So what is it? So let me tell you, if anything should happen to my friend Adugo, I will hold both of you responsible for it.
Omemeka, we are sorry. Please stop crying. We've heard what you said. Nothing will happen to Mama, I promise.
If I hear from your mouth again, I will slap your teeth out of your mouth this minute and I will see all your teeth scattered on this ground. What is wrong with you? Are you the only one that's ever been pregnant?
Let's go. Ikem and Obim, you people should clap for yourselves. Clap for yourselves. Kudos to you. Ndala. Do you know what you have succeeded? You've succeeded in turning my late brother's house into a Power Mark Center. Power Mark Center and Africa Magic, where people now come and watch live dramas and they are entertained. Look, let me tell you, if it were before, it will not happen. Just pray that nothing happens to your mother, because if anything happens to her, Mazuka, shut up your mouth. You stop matching me now. What's your problem?
Mazuka. This
son.
one you came to my house. Hope all is well.
Everybody's fine, but all is not well, my son.
Mazuka, what is the problem?
It's about your mama's health condition. It's getting worse day by day. If something is not done, I'm really afraid. We need to really save her life.
Mama's head again. Mazuka, I don't have money. Yes, I don't have money.
My son, you see, don't be worried, okay? All your mother needs now is money and medical attention to save her life. Please try.
You see, Mazuka, to be sincere, I don't have money. I have been the one carrying Mama's illness all this while since this year. Well, I stand right now. Let this burden go to Ikem. Let it take full charge of it. Truly speaking, I'm coverless.
It's alright, my son. I've heard all you said. I think I should be on my way now to Ikem's place. Yeah. Send me word to your wife when she comes back.
It's okay, Mazuka. It's okay. I will tell her when she comes back. You're welcome. Let me see your plate.
Thank you, my son.
Are you sure you're not taking anything?
No.
Honey,
Yes, darling.
why did Mazuka come to the house today?
Darling. He came to tell us about Mama's illness. That he needs money to take Mama to the hospital. Sweetheart, I simply told him to go and meet Ikem. Yes, because you and I know that Ikem has not for one day contributed in this family. So he has to go and meet him. Yes.
Sweethearts, you made a very big mistake this time around.
What?
Yes. Knowing fully well the kind of brother you have. Ikem is a very stingy man. Owakagom. He can't even bring out money for other things. Talk more of paying mama's hospital bills. Oh, baby. See, honey, seriously made a very big mistake. I won't lie to you. I suggest you take mama to the hospital. Oh, she's all you've got. She's a mother. She's very, very important to us. Please take her to the hospital. The earlier the better, please. People,
It's okay. It's okay. That means I will go a day after tomorrow. Yes. But sweetheart, I'm sorry, okay? Don't allow it to bother you. You know I love you so much.
I know.
I'm so sorry.
No problem. I trust you, baby.
Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Let's go. Should I carry you? Come on, should I carry you? Come on.
Pain, tears, pain, tears, pain, tears, pain, tears. Me and you, we be the same brother. Yeah. The same father, the same mother.
Ogademma, if you are poor, you want to be rich. But if you are rich, there will be no peace. Because no peace for the rich man. But poor man has rest of mind, but needs more to be buoyant. Well, look at Adugo's family. Who can tell me what is wrong with them? Well, someday, sometime, the truth shall surface. Yes.
Ikem, your mother needs an urgent medical attention. And if nothing is done immediately, I'm afraid you might lose your mother.
God forbid. I will not lose my mother. Mazuka, don't say that. It hasn't come to that, okay? Have you spoken to Obim yet?
Yes, I've done that. He told me right now he has no money, he's handicapped. There's nothing he can do about that presently. So that's why I'm here.
Obim actually told you he has no money?
How can I lie to you? How can I lie to you?
Well, I don't even blame him. I blame Mama for all this. Mama is the one always supporting him in every rubbish he does. At least thank God now you all can see for yourselves. So how much are we talking about here?
250,000 naira.
Just that? Yes. And Obim told you he doesn't have 250,000?
That's what he said.
Well, that wouldn't be a problem. Since we're heading home now, okay? Once we get to the house, I'll write a check for you so that you go cash it and head back to the village immediately.
Thank you very much.
Alright. That will not be a problem.
No. I don't go on. It's okay. Biko, stop this. What if I get Maggie? Biko, nothing will happen to you. You will be fine. I know. This boy, Adao, Ngo, it's okay. Only as soon as Mazuka comes, I am sure everything will be fine. Oh, you will get back your strength. Ngo, it's okay.
Monica,
My children want to kill me. My children want to kill me. I don't know what I've done to them. I don't know. I've been trying to reach Obibo on the phone. His number is not connecting. Even the wife's phone is not connected as well. I don't understand. I don't know what else to do. I will not eat the fruit of my labor. Don't talk like this. You will eat the fruit of your labor. Who said so? Don't talk like this. One let me go and begging you. I don't have anyone. You're my only friend. I don't know what else to do now. Why is my own like this? My enemies are fighting me. My enemies are fighting me. Look at me. I don't know what gives me confidence, but I know you're not going to die. Nothing will happen to you. You won't die. God forbid. You won't die. Hey! It's okay, nothing will happen to you. I don't have any other friend. If anything happens to you, I don't know if I can even survive it. Pico, it's only you. Please. What is I'm going to do? It's okay, don't talk again. You don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. To be fine. It's okay. You will not die, you. You won't. I am sure. Oh? It's okay, stop talking.
Oh! Network!
Darling, you sure you don't like this?
I'm okay.
You don't want to take the drink?
No, not at all.
It's good for the heart. At least Junior will like it. Baby, unborn baby. At least. Mazuka. Excuse me. Hello, Mazuka. Good day.
Hello? Obim, is your uncle Okatu? Yes. Obim, I want to tell you, you and your brother, I am disappointed in both of you. You people are wicked, you animal. Will judge. I came to your house and I explained to you the health condition of your mother. You told me you had no money to take your mother to the hospital. And I went to Ikem, your brother. Ikem gave me hope. But later dashed the hope by giving me a bank check. I went to the bank and there was no money in the account. And I'm sure he knew there was no money. Hey! Don't do this. Hey! What is happening here? Mama! What is happening here? Mama! Please, somebody should come to me! Mama!
Sweetheart, why is Ikem this heartless? I mean, why is he heartless?
But why must Ikem do it like that? Why must he do it to Mazuka? His old uncle.
Why is Ikem like that?
No. It's not fair.
Oh my God! No!
My children, I call for this meeting just to appreciate all of you and thank you for your wonderful support through your mother Adugo's burial. I really thank God that we were able to give her a befitting burial. I know wherever she is now, she will be very happy because this is the cooperation she so much desired when she was alive. So once again, I said thank you very much and God bless all of you.
Thank you, Master.
But why did Mama have to die now? Mama has always wanted me to come home. And since I couldn't make it during my father's burial, oh Mama, you forever live in my heart. And I'll miss you forever. Adieu, Zibonwe.
It's alright. It's okay.
I can see you, stupid. Try that next time and out of there.
What is it? You scared me.
Honey,
what is it?
I had a bad dream. A bad dream.
Come on, it's just a dream. Come on, okay?
Honey, no. Honey, I saw Mama in the dream, crying. She was weeping.
Mama, you just crying?
Yes.
What for?
I don't know.
It's okay. I don't understand that. Just come on, let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Just a dream. Just a man dream. It's not harmful, okay? Let's go to bed, okay? You're fine. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. You're fine. What is it?
My tummy. My
Oh my.
Ikem, my son, you have to take heart. I know how you feel right now. I know the pains that you are going through right now. I am sorry for the loss of your beautiful wife. Okay? Be a man, just take heart. But there's one thing that baffles me. I can't really understand. How can we bury two persons within 1 year in this family? Is this family under a curse or what?
Uncle, you won't believe what I had this. Obim called me and he said that his wife had a miscarriage.
And then you tell me that this family is not under a curse. This family is under a curse, and I must see to that.
Uncle, the way I'm seeing it, you might be right too.
Something must be wrong under a curse. But I, Okato, I must see to it. There must be an end to this calamity in this family. Trust me. Ikemo is okay. Also, my wife. It's okay. Take God, be a man, okay?
You mean you saw Mama in your dream, weeping?
And I had miscarriage.
That means that what Madoka was saying was just real.
Something must be wrong.
Exactly.
I think we have to do something about it. We need to.
Okay, look. Immediately Mama died. Christabel died. And I lost my baby. All this. Are you not seeing the coincidence there? I don't understand. I don't know where to place it. I'm so confused.
Even me. Oh, girl, I am lost here.
Mazuka, that was how it happened. Thank God my wife lost the pregnancy after the strange dream she dreamt about Mama.
This is really strange. This has never happened in the history of this family before. Mazuka, there is nothing strange here. The only strange thing here in our midst is this thing here. I don't get it. So what are you talking about? What I am trying to say is that Obim here is a wicked witch. Obim here killed my wife just to get back at me. You are mad. I am mad. You are crazy. I am mad. Do you think I am a bigot like you? Huh? Your mind is filled with innocent blood. You are a ritualist. You killed your wife. You are a ritualist. I swear I will kill you. You can't do nothing. I must make sure you cannot do anything. Don't. It's okay. Fool. Tell him. Enough of all this. Enough of all this. What is wrong with both of you? If you are not ashamed of yourselves, I am ashamed of both of you. What is wrong with you? Instead of us to start looking for solutions for the calamities that have been happening in this family, what you want to do is to fight yourself, fight yourself. Go ahead and fight yourself. Fight yourself, kill yourself. At least I have enough land in this compound to beg both of you. Kill yourself. You think I'll beg you? I'll beg you. I'll not beg you. Kill yourself.
Me and you, we be the same brother. Yeah, the same father, the same mother. Dodolima, ilote no na choka. Chukubiko nyelani aka, ilote no na choka. Opia bawa mo, ika see my wounds are fresh, my cuts are deep. It beats my imagination how things done so. I can't even explain how things gone wrong. I can't even say for sure whether we are twin or not. Hey, Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Ejima, Ofu Obaranelio. Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Obim Ikem, Ejima, Ofu Obaranelio.
Mazuka, in fact, that was how it happened. I'm still shocked at this very moment as I speak to you all. On that fateful day, as I was entering my house, there was nobody in the house. As I was about climbing the staircase, I saw my only sister, Ijoma, murdered in cold blood. Mazuka, in cold blood. No.
This is unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Who might have done this to an innocent girl like Ijoma? The girl that does not look for any business problem. She just came back from America not too long ago. Why? Why? Where is this world going to? Why are people wicked? Why? I don't know. What has this young girl done? What has this innocent girl done? Why would she deserve this type of death at her prime? At her youth, because... Hey! Hey, what? This is unbearable. This is just too much. Ijoma Kisije! You decided to live with your mother, my friend, eh? Hey!
Mama, it's okay. Take it easy. Oh, God.
Obi, Mazuka, are you sure it's not those your business associates that came after you? Unfortunately, they couldn't see you and they decided to kill your sister. No, Mazuka. I don't think so. I don't think so. A man must have enemies. Sane and unsane one. I don't really need to ask anybody. Besides, I don't make trouble with my customers.
Exactly.
Huh? Neither do I go around sending assassins after them. It's not possible with the kind of person who I am.
It's not possible.
No! Ijoma, no. But anyway, the police are after them. Soon, they'll get the culprit down. Said by the commissioner of police. It's okay. Let the police do their work. But I, Okato, I must get to the root of this. Yes.
Vero, wonder shall never end about the happenings in Mazokoro's compound. Can you imagine that Ijoma that just came back from America the other day is now dead?
Dead? Just that. My sister, I even heard Obim use that for money ritual to make more money.
Yes, now. Haven't you heard? That is how they make their money, moving from one hotel to the other, using innocent people for just money rituals. Just imagine, small girls that just have bright future, just gone like that.
I would have even preferred if Obim and Ikem takes an oath to prove they are innocent. Huh? Am I right?
It's good. Just like that.
People are so wicked.
Hey! Veronica! Hey! Eh? Veronica and Monica! Hey! Village rumor mongers! Hey! Anyama hunting. My eyes have seen my ear. Hey! Oh,
Driver, sir, let's go.
Good day, sir.
Good day, my brother.
Sir, I came irrespective of the contract you told me the other time. And the money you talk about, I now have it right now. A check of 4 million. Sir, I'm ready right now. I'm fit to right now.
Oh, my brother, you lost it. One mistake came over, escalated the contract with a sum of 6 million naira.
No, sir, we have enough. It came before. What is it? I took my home.
I'm doing it not to him.
What, sir?
I didn't mean not to die. Driver, let's go.
Oh, Ikem, you told me you don't have money. You don't have 1 billion naira. How come you now go at my back to go and take a contract that's supposed to be mine?
Hi! Look at them! Look at them! The two village rumor mongers. Eh? The little thing that gossips about in this village. Look at your head. Look at. Touch it very well. And you're touching it. Look at your own. Ufeke. Huh? Huh? Look at, you are putting your hand on your waist. As if there is something on your waist. Nothing is even on your chest. Dry chest. Huh? Flat slippers. What I can use is killing mosquito in my room. Nonsense. Look at, if they should check you very well now, you are putting on pampers. So that your bully will come out. Look at dried waist. The two of you, look at your two left legs. Like what I can use to play drum in this village.
Yeah. Hey. Don't you ever insult us again. So you see how the effort to insult I and Veronica, eh? I don't even blame you. Useless, shameless idiot.
Please, let's not take our precious time talking to this idiot.
You have time?
This garbage in and garbage out.
Do you have time? You don't have time.
Why are you even wasting our time?
Do whatever you look at.
Teach me a lesson.
Shut up! You want to teach me a lesson? Hey! I have suffered. Eh? You want to teach me a lesson? Let me take my power. Now let me see who has the power to teach each other a lesson. I'm coming. Eh? Oh, no, it's not. Eh? You think you can beat me? You think? Oh, where are they? Give it to. Where are they? You are hey! If I should get up, eh? Hey! Where is my power? Let me have my power. These people. Oh no. Where are you, power, also?
How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me, Kim? Why?
Fabian, what is the matter with you? You barged into my house without informing me that you're coming. And you're here shouting. What is it?
Okay. I came to your house the other day just to tell you I needed ₦1 million to add up to the one I have in order for me to execute a contract from the Escalating company. Ikem, what did I get? You sent Ikem went at my back to give them ₦6 million to collect the contract that was meant for me.
Obim, don't tell me you're jealous of my success.
What?
Huh? You should be happy with me. Oh, please, Obim, don't even be a sadist.
What? Ikem, you are the one that's a sadist. Ikem, you went at my back to take what belonged to me. And you even told me you don't even have the money to give to me. Ikem, why?
I'm so fucking what? Obim, it's my money, not yours. I can do whatever I want to do with my money. But let me warn you, twin brother. Let this be the last time you come into my house to shout. If you don't have anything more to say, that's the door. If you're tired of staying, get out. Ikem!
Be the same special, my brother.
No!
You know, yeah.
No.
Blood is running in our veins. Me and you is
Ikem, I am no longer going to tolerate your wickedness anymore. Yes? Any wrong step you make, any step at all you move, I will move alongside with you. Ikem, I promise you this. I will fight you. I will fight you with last blood.
Mama Mika, I don't know what is keeping these boys. They're supposed to be here by now.
I don't know either, but please just exercise a little more patience. They will come. I'm sure they'll come. Let's wait for them.
I hope nothing has happened to them on the way. Because they called me that they are already on their way. So why are they not here? Why?
They will soon come back. Let us wait for them a little bit.
They are here. It's good to start patience. You are not telling me.
Mamika.
My children, you are welcome. You are welcome. How was the journey?
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful journey. Yes. Okay. Mamika, please, let us go inside.
Yes. Please, let's sit outside. I have something to say.
No, let's say it inside.
No, please. Let's just sit outside. Please.
Okay, go ahead. Go on.
Mazuka. Mama Emeka. My lovely wife, princess. My brother. My blood. My twin, Obi. I'm sorry. I am sorry for all that I have done to you in the present and in the past. I allowed greed, jealousy, hatred becloud my conscience. I am sorry. Please forgive me.
What is it? You've not said anything. You have not said anything. What is it? Tell us. What is the problem?
I have a confession to make.
Confession?
Yes.
Go ahead.
God. I am responsible. I'm responsible for the death of each of us.
Hey, Chimo.
Yes, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I swear I never intended killing her, please. I never wished to kill her, please. I thought Princess killed my wife. So I sent assassins to kill Princess. Eventually they killed each other. I just couldn't stand. See Princess live while Valley is dead. I'm sorry. God.
Oh God. How could you be so wicked and heartless?
Oh God.
How could you? You killed your only sister. A young lady with a bright future. How could you? Ike, what have I done to you? What have I done to you, Ike? Why have I wronged you? I did not kill your wife. Why?
Hey! Princess someone. Your God is away. Hey! You are a cursed child! Obi, please forgive me. Oh, please!
What's the meaning of this? Are you mad? The shoe I suffered to punish that you're wearing, even my shirt.
Akim, I'm sorry. I was calling your phone, but your phone was not connecting.
Hey! Don't even tell me that. Listen, before I close my eyes and open it, take off my shoe.
Akim, can't you understand? I said I'm sorry.
Oh, Jesus. Obi, I said pull my shoe.
Akim, I should walk barefoot.
Pull my shoe from me, are you mad?
Akim, it's me.
Pull my shoe for me. Anima. Just imagine. I said pull my shoe. see, don't let me mess you up here now. That's my shirt. Take it off. My shirt! Pull it! Oh, God. I will embarrass you here. I will mess you up here. I will soon mess you up. Pull my shirt now. What kind of rubbish is that? How many times have I warned you not to touch any of my stuff again? Huh? I said pull my shirt. Give me. That's my trouser. Pull it off. Pull it off. You're going too far. Pull. Come on, pull my trouser. I'll mess you up here. I'll mess you up. You're mad. Mama will give us money in the village. You will take your own in buying textbooks. But I decided to use my own to buy designers. Oh, so you didn't see market to buy designers. You want to wear my own. Pull my trouser for me. Do you know how much I bought that trouser? Huh? They will give us money in the village. You won't use your money to buy clothes. If I buy designers, you want to wear. Animal. Eh? Even my wallet. This is the height. This is the height of it. My wallet, I bought 10,000 naira. This one, you go. Give it. No, please. Animal. It can me. Get up. It can me. Hey! Get up. Hey! Hey!
You see this campus, we'll bust this campus, you know understand? Mama, Roger.
You see that big fuck up that day?
Oh, Bobby.
I won't take him. Why you not going to take him now?
No man, I saw the Jones, the Jones, come on, Johnson, you. Mama, you too, Roger. No, we still let us rest. Just here you be.
Oh, well done.
Obim, what is it? What is it? Can't I have one single rest in this school without you disturbing me? What is it?
I came to speak to you privately. Please.
Listen, Obim, whatever you want to say, these are my homies, okay? Say what you want to say and get out.
Ikem, why did you hate me this much? Why? Because of a phone you stole? And I was beaten? I was beaten of a phone that I know nothing of. Ikem? Because I decided to bear the pain for you, Ikem. Okay, you went out there, disgraced me publicly. Over a shoe that you and I know that Papa bought for me. And just because you told me you had no shoe, I gave him my shoe. And all you could do to me was to come back and tell me the shoe belongs to you. And gave me a public disgrace out there. Pull up my shoe, my trouser, my shirt, everything I won that very day. What have I done to you? Remember, I am still your twin brother. Ikem, you even went as far raping a girl, and I slept in the police station for 2 weeks. Ikem, what have I done to you? Why are you treating me this way? Remember, I'm still your twin brother.
And so fucking what? If you slept in the police cell because of me, is that a big deal? Listen, Obim, if you're done talking, nigga, bounce.
Yes.
I said bounce.
I should bounce?
Listen, Omini Rugged.
Bounce, bro, man.
I dey order you if in the next count of 3 this guy no move. Man, Martin, this guy push and come up for here.
I said bounce! Can't you see we are discussing? It's my twin brother. I said bounce, man! I don't want to see you here.
Bounce, come on here, Joe. What's up, you? Bounce! See, I'll take you on this campus, man. Get out.
Idiots.
I don't want to see you again. Let me junkie, man. Eh?
That guy is very funny, man. That's your brother, eh?
Which my brother? Who be my brother? I get brother. Instead that guy will be my brother, instead I get monkey as brother. You don't understand? That Johnson guy, that guy will be like bed.
I should forgive you. I, Obi, should forgive you. Oh, no. Can you get my only sister? Our only sister. I am sorry. You are sorry? After killing our mother? Oh no! And you also have the temerity, the audacity to also kill my wife. Princess, I should forgive you. After all you did to me. I'm sorry, please. Ikem, you're wicked. Ikem, you are wicked! Oh, no! Obima, I'm sorry. I am sorry, please. I swear. Fine, I know I am the bad son of this family, but we all know I was never like this. All this started when I noticed Mama and Papa showered you with love and care. And nobody liked me. Oh God. My hatred for my only brother caused not I am sorry. I am sorry for causing your death. God, please forgive me. My heart is full of pain, so I am sorry, please. Forgive me. It's okay. On behalf of the family, we are forgiving you. But let it not repeat again. I swear to God. We have no choice than to forgive you. Please. Like the saying that goes, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. Yes. It's still our child. Edwin. I can never forgive him. After all he did to me, kid, our only sister, you are saying to me, I should forgive him. No! Come. Massacre, no! This crazy stuff. Come, Obi, move. No matter what happened, your brother, your twin brother. I want you to hug him. He's your brother, hug him. I want to talk to her.
Be the same flesh, oh my brother. You know, yeah. The same blood is running in our veins. Me and you is supposed to be one, but we are cat and dog right now. Biting each shoulder, deep in, can't you feel it? Sinking deep in my heart, brother, can't you feel it? Yet we acting like we don't care, but you see that we dying inside. Oh, brother, pain, tears, pain, tears, gone with my tears drop. The entertainment with the fake drums. Oh damn, what a lame choice. I wish I can hold it back, I wish I can let go. But your ego feels like a rag. Hope you can feel it now, I hope you can see it now. We lost you, you refuse to see the truth. So wish you can fix it, or rather you can call for truth. Yeah, between me and you, see we lost huge. How can we pay for all this lost? Oh damn.